So my Tekton impact socket set has arrived from Amazon. This box seems a little bit big for me. I don't think the set is that big, but let's open it up. Let's unbox it and see what we get inside. Packaging is not that great from Amazon, but yeah, as we suspected, the socket set is quite a bit smaller than the box it came in. Let's open up the plastic wrap and see what we have inside. Okay, this looks pretty good. So this is exactly what I ordered. I wanted the Tekton impact socket set, half inch. I wanted the metric ones. It's 6-sided and it's a set of 15 sockets, 10 to 24. It has a lifetime guarantee and it looks pretty good. The packaging looks very nice. Let's open it up. Oh, first, I'm just going to weigh it. This is coming in at 8 pounds for the whole package. Okay, so let me open up and let's see what's inside. A nice hard plastic case. Tekton on the front, and it's got 2 clips over here that you open up. And it just swings right open. So this set is from 10 to 24, and this is half-inch impact, as we said. This case is nice. Maybe if you want to use it for a floor case. For most of us, like myself, we'll just take the sockets out and just put it in our tool chest. But we just look at these numbers. They look fairly clear, easy to identify the socket that you're looking for. There we go, that's the whole range. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, all the way up to 24. Now there were 4 reasons why I got the set. The first one being that this is better quality than the Mastercraft ones that I've had before. Not that they were so bad, but this is definitely a step up from Mastercraft. And so you get the Tekton quality, which is nice. Secondly, as we already said, there's a lifetime warranty on these. So if it should break, it's pretty easy to just get it replaced. And that should be no problem. Now, I've never had a socket break. These are half-inch ones, and there's a lot of force that goes into them, but they're made very solid. And you know, it just depends how you use your sockets. I mean, you know, if you use a 1/4 inch socket to do the work of a 1/2 inch, of course it's not going to work. Just as a general rule of thumb, I use 1/4 inches up to about 30 foot-pounds, and then I would use a 3/8 up to about 100 foot-pounds of torque, and then I would use the 1/2 inch for everything above 100 foot-pounds. Actually, I use 1/2 inch as well for stuff like brake jobs where it could be about 80 foot-pounds or so. I would also use the 1/2 inch. The third reason I like these is the fact that there are no skipped sizes, from 10 all the way to 24. And you don't often find this in a lot of the other sets that you would buy. So you have to go really high end to get a set with no skips. And this seems to be affordable, decent quality, and no skip sizes. So I just love that. Maybe I'm OCD, I don't know, but I just don't like sizes that are skipped. I'm always worried that that just might be the size that I need, so I like to have them all in a row like this, the whole set. The fourth reason I got this is because this is real value for money. On Amazon right now, these are selling for $50 for this set, and you're going to compare this at $50 with no skipped sizes from 10 to 24 for deep impact sockets to any brand, that will be a step up from Tekton. So you think about gear wrench would be a step up, Sunex would be a step up, Gray pneumatic would be a step up, and then of course you get the tool truck like brands like Mac and Snap-on. Those will be much more expensive. So compared to all of those, at $50 for a complete set with no skipped sizes, this is really value for money that you're getting. So these were the 4 reasons why I went for this set. I got these to use for doing brake jobs, suspension work, drive shafts and so forth, where it's nice to use impact. When I make a video for this channel, I always use hand tools, because the idea is that any person with basic hand tools could do most of these jobs. But when I'm not doing a video and I'm just doing work by myself, I prefer to use the impacts, especially on the big nuts and bolts. Let me just measure this and see how big they are. Let's just have a look at lengthwise. They come in at just over 3 inches. Now let's measure the thickness. This comes in at 4 millimeters. So just over 3 inches long and 4 millimeters thick. Okay, I can't wait to use this. So I'm going to grab a 17 and we'll do a lug nut. I've got this little stubby here that's going to goes on nicely, and let's see what it does with the lug nut. All right, let's see how this goes. Fits on very easily. There we are. Let's try another one. There we go. This is the Milwaukee stubby, the 12 volt, and this is a 3 amp battery. So it's not high end, but it's no problem with this. So the sockets seem to perform pretty good. So my first impression is this looks like a really nice set. I think this is really good value for a weekend warrior or a do-it-yourselfer. Maybe someone who does this professionally would prefer a higher end set than this one. But I think for my use and for people like me, this is a really good set. It's great value and it's going to last a long time.